So fellas, that's what just happened. I was driving calmly, very slow. The wind blew and my hood landed on my windshield. Look at this. And look at the hood. It's all broken. Oh. Now I have to fix the fiberglass. Oh, more work. Like I don't have enough, huh? I'm gonna move the cars around and I'm gonna put the fenders on, bumper, and try to fix the hood. Now windshield's gotta be replaced. And it's all dirty because it's been sitting outside for a long time. And guess what, guys? I was lifting it up and I noticed here is broken too. Not on the outside, but the inner part. I'm gonna remove this covers. Oh, and here, nice. Try to use this glue for fiberglass just to put this thing back together, and then I'm gonna use the fiberglass with the resin just to put it on the top. This one right here, I'm gonna cut pieces and put the layers over it over there too, just to reinforce it. Well, I should have a special gun for this, but unfortunately I don't have it, so I even forgot how to open this. I already use it on the truck. And as you can see, it's strong. Can't even take the cap off. No. The white side is, I think, is the hardener, and now I'm gonna have to squeeze this thing. Oh, just like that. The only thing is the white side is just, oh, I got it. It was stuck. Now about the same amount. Okay. This doesn't dry very quick, so I got time. I'm gonna clean this because it was stuck with the cap off, cap on. And it got dry inside because looks like when I use it last time, got mixed. This thing. Let's do this. I think it makes enough, huh? I don't think I make enough, so I'm gonna have to mix it more. fellas. But I know this glue is good, so. I think I'm gonna have enough. Let's see. I hope. This piece, just in case it's not enough on the hood itself. Put this one. It's not perfect, guys, but after I put the fiberglass over this, I think it's gonna be fine. Now it's Fenders time and skirts. Got the fenders. Which one I'm gonna do first? The passenger side. Bit of coating. I had to move the car to the grass, and this fender is on. There's only 2 nuts here. I mean, in my case it's 1 because the second one is broken. The stud is broken, so only 1 nut here. 1, 2, 3 bolts. 1 here, right there, and 2 right here. And that's it, the fender is on. Now the right side. You can see on this side, guys, there's 2 little studs coming out of the fender, and the 2 nuts goes on it. And you may have to remove the headlight. If you got both, to get to the second one, just remove this bolt here, this bolt here, and this bolt here, and the light is out. And it's much easier to get to this nut right here. And just like that, fenders are on. Now skirts and bumper. You got the bumper out, skirts. We're gonna be putting it on. Okay, so the skirts are very easy to put on. There is clips here that goes in these holes right here. I'm missing 2 in the middle, but that's fine. I got them somewhere, but and then there is plastic clips that the screw goes in through this hole. You can put the screws. I got only 1 on the back and 1 on the front. You can put few more because there's supposed to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I only got this one and that one. Right here is the second one. Okay. Just like that, fellas. You just have to find the holes. Alright. I got them on. See? And just like that, it's sitting in. I'm gonna put these 2 screws, 1 on the front and 1 on the back, and it's gonna be sitting nicely. So I got these screws, 2 of them. Okay. And the same thing on the right side, fellas. Boom. Now the bumper got 3 studs here. Of course, 1 is broken. Goes to the fender. And 1 right here. Supposed to be a plastic clip that a screw goes in. I think I got them somewhere. I have to check. And it's the same on this side. 1, 2, third one is broken and goes right here. And then there's few bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding it from the top. With this thing on the top. You just have to turn your wheels to the right to get to this one's right there, and now to the left to get to the other side. It's really good access anyway. Just like that, bumper is on, fellas. Nice and easy. Now I got some fancy turn signals that goes here in the fender. My original ones are all broken. I had to glue them back on. Let's try this thing. I'm ready to see it. So you just take the old bulb out, connect this thing, and it's supposed to work. Let's see. It does work. That's cool. I like it. Now let's see if this one works. On the other side. Bulb out. This one works too. Very cool. Look at this. Let's turn this on again. Me gusta. Okay, now I gotta wait for the hood to cure. Well, I'm gonna put the fiberglass over it anyway. Ready for hood. And right here, fellas, I got some fender liners. It's not from, these are not from GT4, but I heard the regular Celica got the same, or almost the same thing. So I'm thinking about putting it on, at least try. What is this? Inner fender, right hand, and this is the left side. And what we got here? Oh, all the clips, nice. I'm gonna remove wheels and try, but I have to go somewhere right now, so I'm gonna take the Celica for a spin. And I got this thing for a camera, 360 camera. I'm gonna try to put it on and record some short video. And it's called selfie stick. Selfie stick. Selfie stick. Thing like that, fellas, right? I think so.